Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: cryptocurrency versus stock market. With the rapid growth of both cryptocurrencies and stock market, it's essential to understand the difference and similarities between these two investment options. So, let's start the video. First, let's take a closer look at cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible to alter past transaction records. Bitcoin, the first and most well known cryptocurrency, was introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin have emerged. So, it was the overview of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's shift our focus to the stock market. The stock market is a place where investors can buy or sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, it means you are buying a small piece of ownership in that company. The major stock exchanges, such as New York Stock Exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, these stock exchanges facilitate these transactions. The stock market has a long and established history dating back centuries. It plays a crucial role in capital formation and enables companies to raise funds by selling shares to the public. Investor can profit from both stock price appreciation and dividends paid by the company. Now let's talk about the difference between cryptocurrencies and stock market. Number 1, liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price. In general, the stock market offers higher liquidity compared to most cryptocurrencies. This is because stocks of well established companies are actively traded on the daily basis. Number 2, regulation. Regulation is another crucial factor. The stock market is heavily regulated by government authorities to protect investors and maintain market integrity. On the other hand, the regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies vary significantly from one country to another. Number 3, volatility. Volatility measures the price fluctuations of an asset. Cryptocurrencies are notorious for their high volatility, with price often experiencing significant swings in short period. While stocks can also be volatile, they generally tend to be less volatile than cryptocurrencies. Number 4, accessibility. Cryptocurrency market operates 24 into 7, which allows user to trade anytime. On the other hand, the stock market follows specific trading hours, usually on business day. Now let's talk about the similarities between cryptocurrency and stock market. Number 1, investment vehicles. Both cryptocurrencies and stock markets are investment vehicles that offers potential return to investors. People often invest in these assets with the goal of growing their wealth over time. Number 2, speculation. Speculation is present in both markets. News and events can influence the price of both cryptocurrencies and stocks, leading investors to speculate on future price movement. Number 3, risk. Investing in both cryptocurrency and stocks market carries inherent risk. Prices can fluctuate unpredictably, and investor may experience both gains and losses. Now, after learning all of these, you must be thinking which is better for you, cryptocurrency or stock market. Well, the answer depends on the several factors, including your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. If you prefer higher risk investment with higher returns, then cryptocurrencies might be good for you. However, keep in mind that higher potential returns come with increased volatility and high risk. On the other hand, if you're looking for more stability and established investments, the stock market might be a better fit. Established companies with solid fundamentals can offer a steady growth potential and dividends. Now the last is conclusion. Both cryptocurrencies and stock market offers unique opportunities for investors. Cryptocurrencies provide a glimpse into the future of digital finance, while a stock market has proven track record of wealth creation over the years. Regardless of your choice, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, stay informed, and diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk. Remember, no investment comes without risk, so only invest what you can afford to lose. I repeat for you, no investment comes without risk, so only invest what you can afford to lose. It's very important to understand. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more valuable content on finance, technology and investment. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.